So, pretty much got this thing all apart. Just gotta take the fucking intake bolts off and pop the intake off and replace the gasket. But this is the Brothers new unit, 77 c20 with a mildly built, well, I guess it's not mildly built, it's like fully built. It's pretty much pushing out as much horsepower as a 350 can get, besides boring it completely out and putting a stroker kit in it or slapping nitrous or supercharger on it. She's fucking pushing out 306, Jesus Murphy, 356 horsepower. So she moves along pretty good. 410 gears in the rear, a whole whack load of parts. Once upon a time, all these panels were brand new, and they did get clear coated, but oh yeah, you can see right here the clear coats coming off, so that's why she's got the rusts happening. But it's not that bad. Like this fender's still like new. That door's still in mint shape. The box isn't bad. It's not hard to pluck the box off and put another one on. But I think what we're going to do, in all honesty, is just, you know, clean her up, maybe, you know, linseed oil her and put a fresh coat of clear coat on it. Maybe put some fucking lower end springs in her, get her down a bit low, but also keep the heavy springs, because she's going to be utilized as a camper hauler, you see. If we go into the interiors here, she's got some fancy customized seats. Fucking that was the head unit that just went flying back there. She's also got two kicker subs behind the seats, some fandangly speakers. They light up too. Here, what? Oh, maybe I shouldn't. No, let's not do that. Bad idea. Things are all unhooked. But you're gonna have to take my word for it. The speakers got lights in them. It's pretty snazzy. But yeah, gonna get this intake here pulled off. Struggled with this guy here. She needed some heat and some lubricants, and it came out. Hopefully no bolts break off, and all should go smoothly. Plop the new intake gaskets on, and she should be just Minsky. Yeah, I'll bring you back when I got the intake off. All the bolts are out. Took the intake bracket off because, I mean, it'll probably clear without, I mean, that thing cleared without taking the intake bracket off, but that's the fuel line. This one, it didn't want to wiggle that much, so I'll prop you up here somewheres, and we'll yank this intake here off. Let's see, can I put you there? The phone's probably gonna fall too, but we'll see here. And we'll see what I forgot to unhook. Jeez, more things falling. Oh yeah. Come on, you old girl. Crawl into the back here. Let's not. Oh. Okay. She should fucking yard sale off of there. Oh, why are you on there so good? Where's my bar of fry? What is not wanting to? She's just stuck on there. Oh, there. Sticky bitch. Okay, now she should get her tail off there. It's gonna be a heavy unit. Oh, what was that? Whatever it was, oh, it was a hose clamp. It went down there, so that's okay. All right, let me get out of here. Where's my bucket? There's my bucket. All right, there's one Holly high-rise taken off. She's all port matched and all that. I think her issue was right there. Looking pretty grungy. Alright, well, we got the intake back on. We got it bolted down. Got hoses on. Got the distributor stabbed. She's gonna need some timing. I don't got a long enough screwdriver to get down in there and reposition the oil pump drive. So it's gonna need to be timed, but at least it ain't 180 out. It'll be close. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just put the cap back on, put the wires on, and fire it off. But that'll have to wait till tomorrow, cause waiting for our TV to dry. So yeah. All right, we got the distributor in. Got her all buttoned up. Let's see if the battery died from the hood light being on. But yeah, if it's not, let's see what happens. What's the battery be dead? Yeah, battery's dead. Oh yeah, battery's stone dead. Alrighty. Well, guess I'll put the charger on. Alright, now that we got the Electrifier 9000 on there, let's wait for that to charge up, and maybe I'll give this thing a fire for you. Oh, she didn't close. This is my 86 Grand Prix with 1973 L82 from a Z28 Camaro. Here, let me get some light upon it. It's got about 2,200 kilometers, not miles, kilometers on the rebuild. It's got quite a heavy cam to it. Flat top pistons. Yeah, it's kind of like a basic rebuild with a cam. It's not bored out. I need better heads on it. It's got 882 heads, which are shitty. You can see my nice Holly, my Holly intake there. Still got a quadra-junk on it. I need a 650 double pumper, or not necessarily a double pumper, but a 650 Holly. I had a 750 out of Brock, and that was just too much. I couldn't down tune it for this thing, but she's true duals with shorty headers and 12-inch bottles. Let's see if she'll want to cooperate. Oh, I gotta do some exhaust work. That one's starting to hang a little. She needs hangers. Well, let's see if she'll fire off for us here. she's got fuel. Oh, you dirty pig. Cold. She does the chug chug. She's got a thumbstick. Yeah. So let the battery on that unit charge up. And we'll be back. Okay, let's try again. See if she fires off. Got the battery charger on it. Let's see what happens. Probably nothing. Damn it. Oh. Alright, closed the hood slightly because the hood light was on and not allowing the battery to charge fully. So she should be good. She should be good now. Let's give her a college try. Might be a little advanced or she's cold. Plus, timing's too advanced. I can hear her poop, poop, poop. Oh, there we go. No, she wasn't too advanced. Choke was just on. You can really hear that leaky exhaust manifold or header now. timing light on it, see what it's at, but that seems pretty good. Well, got the timing set. It was pretty much fucking, you ain't gonna be able to see nothing, but it was pretty near dead on.